Each signal means only one thing and should produce the same result, regardless of who is signaling or who is operating the crane. Here are some of the most important hand signals.
To raise the load, keep your arm away from your body. From a distance, the operator sees you as an outline, and the shape of your arm is a clue to the signal you're using. Point your finger and just move your hand to make a small circle. To lower the load, rotate your elbow and make the same gesture. Don't let your arm hang down at your side. To boom up, keep your arm out and your hand closed. The operator has to clearly see the position of your thumb, and that can be a challenge if your fingers are out too. Reverse the position of your thumb to boom down. Keep in mind, the thumb is used here for boom movement. Don't use your thumb for signals where it doesn't belong.
This combination is used to move the load horizontally toward the crane. Some cranes can't do these combination moves at all, so be aware of your equipment before you request it. This will move the load horizontally away from the crane. Understand that the load may not move perfectly horizontal with these two signals. It may move up or down at the same time. Notice that the finger flex may start and stop to indicate when hoist or lower is engaged. Extend your whole arm and point with your finger in the direction you want the crane to swing. This has the same shape as the boom signal, so be sure to keep your thumb out of the way. Reverse the gesture to swing in the opposite direction. Avoid pointing across your body. With your fists closed in front of you, opposing thumbs indicate extending the boom. Reverse the position of your thumbs to have the boom retract. If one hand is occupied, point your thumb to your chest to extend the boom. To retract the boom, point your thumb outward and tap the heel of your fist to your chest. You can modify any of the motion signals to request slower crane movements. Hold your other hand motionless in front of the hand giving the motion signal. Stop is the most important hand signal because of its safety function, yet a lot of people get it wrong, using a closed fist instead. Properly executed, as you see here, stop is a big gesture that's easy to see and can't be mistaken for anything else. Because of a crane's momentum, good operators will always execute a stop gradually. But an emergency stop means slam on the brakes. Because this can put stress on the crane, it's used only in an emergency. These two signals, stop and emergency stop, are critical to safe crane operation and should be familiar to everyone on the site, even if it's never their job to signal the crane. The operator will take these signals immediately from anyone. The operator and the signal person are responsible for the lift, but safety is everyone's responsibility.